Hey everybody, so I have a cat named Mr. Clinton, and he is very, very cute and adorable, but he also just so happens to be a gigantic asshole. Listen to him saying hi. Clinton. Clinton? I tried to distribute greenies fairly amongst my kitties, but unfortunately, this is not possible because Mr. Clinton will do anything required to steal them. He'll take them from under them, he'll headbutt the other kitty, he'll try to steal them out of Blackberry's mouth because he's such a little greedy, jealous bastard. Blackberry? She's so scared. She knows that's gonna get stolen. Blackberry. Blackberry, eat your greenie, girl. Look, it's a greenie. Here. There.
I believe you fed him too many greenies.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
No.
Yes, you did. Now he's gonna... Blackberry just got punked. Look at it. Oh, she's so sad.
I've been trying to come up with a more fair and equitable way to distribute greenies, because if I try to distribute them in the traditional way, Mr. Clinton winds up with the lion's share of the greenies. I've also been trying to balance this with the fact that Erica doesn't appear to like it when I fly a drone around the kitty cat, but I kind of have fun flying the drone around the kitty cat. I tend to be a little bit more liberal with the drone strikes than Erica. I feel like Hillary debating Ron Paul or something. So I've been trying to come up with a way to get compromise going here, because compromise is king. So here, what you have up ahead is me using the drone to ensure that Erica's favorite kitty, Oreo, gets an equitable share of greenies. As you can see, we've started our flight. I'm a great pilot now, aren't I? Yes. All right, so one greenie has just been thrown out. Here we have the greenies. And Oreo and Blackberry are afraid to take it because they know Mr. Clinton's going to take it. And Mr. Clinton's staring at me. He's staring at me really hard like, can I take it? Can I take it? And Oreo gets so excited and goes to take a greenie. So I throw another one to him. But wait, Mr. Clinton gets it. And before Oreo can even find or finish his first greenie, the second greenie has been eaten by Mr. Clinton. And now he's going on to eat the third greenie. And now, but no, check it out. Now, the DJI Tello drone is going to be used to defend Oreo and allow him to eat the other greenie. Mr. Clinton's going to learn that he doesn't get to have 3 to 4 greenies at the same time that Oreo has had 1. Yes. Oreo is staring, wondering if he's allowed to take another greenie. And Oreo, I don't know what he's doing over there. Aha. See, another greenie has come out. And look, he eats one of the greenies that was there before. Mr. Clinton's trying to turn around and steal the greenie. So we're just going to stare at him. Oh, ain't you so mad, Mr. Clinton? Ain't you so mad? You're so mad, bro, aren't you? I know. You only got to have 3 to 4 greenies. And the other cats had 2. How dare I only have double? Oh, look at that. Mr. Clinton goes in for the kill and gets BTFO'd. Oreo's afraid. He's expecting Mr. Clinton to come bum rush him and knock him over. So I threw him 2 greenies. Mr. Clinton's just waiting to pounce here. He's waiting in the shadows, staring at Oreo with a death stare. Look at that. Look at him. He's hiding. He's trying to hide over there where Oreo can't see. No, not happening. I know you. I see you. I see you. I know that you know that I see you. Oh, look at that. Look at Oreo. Look at Mr. Clinton trying to learn Wing Chun. Look at that. Putting up his Tansao. Yeah, that's right. Good GTFO. All right. So Oreo's there looking to see if there's another greenie. A greenie? A greenie? I threw out a greenie for him. Look at that. 3 greenies. This might be the first time that Oreo got more greenies than Mr. Clinton. Now we got to find out where Mr. Clinton went. There we go. He's there. He's going to pounce at any moment. He's making sure that there's always a quick straight line between him, a hiding spot, and Oreo. Oreo, unfortunately, is not the smartest kitty. If Mr. Clinton isn't very obviously visible, Oreo won't notice he's there. He's also a little slow, which is why that we are using the DJI Tello to protect him and his greenies. I threw Mr. Clinton 2 greenies because he's been good. He's been a good boy, and he earned himself a greenie. I also threw one to Blackberry, but he's not letting her get any. Blackberry actually hides when I start throwing these if she sees that Mr. Clinton is fighting Oreo for them. But, oh! Knocked out. Clinton wins. Rip Oreo.